Welcome to another video. Today I show you how you can revive your old headphones by just changing the ear pads and making them look like almost like new. This is an old pair of Sony headphones that I have for a long time, and I've been changing the ear pads many times. These are very cheap, but still I like them, and the ear pads you find them online in many places. You just have to search for your specific model. It doesn't have to be this model or brand. Many of these type of headphones, they have interchangeable ear pads. When you get the new ones, you just take them out and notice that they have one side where there is this small piece of material that goes in a specific groove on the headphones. So just a note, don't ever use white fabric for this. It's not good. So remove it just like that. It's super easy. Just tear them out. You notice that there is this small canal, like a groove in the headphones where this piece of the pad goes in. So just that's the place. It has to go inside there. Just do it slowly and patiently, something like this, and you will put them on in no time. Just don't pull them too hard so they don't break. Usually these don't last a long time, so it's a good idea to buy at least 2 sets of these pairs. Once you place the ear pad over the headphone, just center it, slowly moving it around so it sits, there is no tension or stress on it. And this one is ready. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, now it's all done and they look like a fresh set of headphones with the cushioning pads or ear pads. This is the Sony MDR V150, but this works on many models, Sony, other brands. As long as this pad is interchangeable, you can change it easily. And one other trick, if you don't have replacement earpads and your old earpads become all flaky and there are a lot of pieces flying around, just turn them inside out and put them back on the headphone. They will last for a few more months, but you have to get new ones eventually. They're not expensive, and just get extra ones so you have them. Like I changed these ones because I just found them in the box, realized they were there waiting from before. I hope this video helped you, maybe just a little bit, and if it did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell to get notifications for new videos interesting like this one. Also, write a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how you did it, if you did it or you want to do it, and share it with your friends so you spread the word and help our channel grow. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.